called tricky teens, okay? So, does anyone have an idea why I would put tape on the carpet like this? I think that maybe some of you figured it out. Yes. To make a tent frame. Okay, so let's talk about an example. The number 17. Which spot up? Is this the 10th place or the 1st place? This is the 10th place. It represents 10, right? And then the 7 represents 1. Good. All right. Now we're going to go into our physical activity. So it's going to be really fun, but we have to follow directions, okay? So the rules are, I'm going to look for students who are full body listening with your hands together in all set position. And then I'll ask you to volunteer and help me up on the front, okay? So I like the way Colin's sitting. I like the way Luca's sitting. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to have 10 students come up and fill in the box with your bodies. We're going to stand like this. Very still. Pushing friends, jumping around. No talking. Stand in your spot and represent 1 in the 10th. Okay? So I'm going to ask 10 friends. Honda, can you find the square? Okay, no hopping around. Avery. Colin, lovely staying on your square. Good. I like how you're sitting. I'm going to ask Alyssa, Alex, Tress, Kyle, Alexander, Jet, and you're going to fill out the 10 frame. And that's Jet, yeah. So you sit in your own square. Oh, one more. We're going to ask Ava. So Ava, you film the last one. Okay, so let's count here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That equals 110 we have so far. How many more students do I need to make 7 ones? 7. Gemma, 7. Okay, so since Gemma raised her hand so nicely, can you fill in one of our squares? Can I have Gianna fill in one of our squares? That's 2. Anahi, can you fill in one of our squares? Boston, can you? I love how nicely all of our friends are standing. Thank you guys. Maya, Brooke, and Carter. Alright, now let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many does this equal in all? Can one of our friends who aren't in?
First of all, that's my pencil.
So what does that represent? 17. So we have 110 and 7 1. Very good. That's awesome. Okay, everyone go sit down. We're going to do one more with friends who didn't get to participate. So everyone sit down nicely. Alexander, you need to sit down. All right, looking for everyone in full body listening, so maybe we can have a couple people participate again. I'm going to ask Shayla, can you give me another team? What's another one that we can do?
16.
You want to do 16?
No.
All right, she chose 16. Let's be respectful. Okay, what place is the 1 in? 10. Are you sure it's not the 1's place? Why isn't the 1's place? Avery?
Because it was the 1's place, the 6 was in there, and it was the 10, and I know that because when I always see it when I know it's a 10.
Well, what if it was 11? This is a 1 too, so that would
11
be...
means two 10s together.
So wait, it means 1, 10, and 1 left over, right? So that would equal 11, right? Okay. So this is 110, which is in this place, and 6 left over. 16. All right, so how many people are we going to need in our first 10 frame, Shayla?
10.
We're going to need 10 people. Okay, looking for full body listeners. Raise your hand if you haven't participated yet, okay? Adam, Hunter, Layla, come on up. Claire.
And be responsible.
Very good. Be respectful and responsible. Shayla, Moses, Andrew, Claire. You came up, right? Let's see who else is looking really nice. Tess, why don't you come up? That's okay. Well, we can ask it more than once. Anahi, you can come up. And we need one more. Dex, why don't you fill in that green square? Okay, so in the green square, let's see how many students we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that equals 110, right? Now, how many students are we going to need for our ones?
6.
6 leftovers. So let's look for 6 students, all body listening. Gemma, go ahead again. Alyssa, go ahead. Avery, come stand in the blue. Quinn, you can come stand in one of the squares. Hondo. And Jack, did you get to go yet?
No.
All right, you come stand in the green, okay?
Bye.
Okay, now let's count. Well, we got Jack right here. So we have 1, 2. Are we listening, Moses and Andrew? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that equals 110 and 6 leftovers. How many does that equal, Colin? 16, because we have 10 plus 6, which equals 16. Good job, guys. Okay, everybody go sit down quietly. I want to see everyone in all set position, okay? Okay, no talking, Andrew. All right, everyone write your names. We're going to focus on this first worksheet. It says see and show. So not on your note cards, but on your see and show worksheet. You're going to put your name on the top and then put your pencil down and show me you're all ready. You can just put it next to see and show. On the very top. Is everyone on the right page? The front page, which is 348 on the bottom. Okay. Can somebody read the top part right here, the directions or whatever it says? Moses, go ahead and read right here.
Numbers from 11 to 19 can be made with 1 key and symbol.
Oh, that kind of sounds like our objective, doesn't it, huh? Yeah, that's what we're going to be working on, okay? So let's see the first example. What is this first 10 frame represent?
10.
Avery?
A 10.
1, 10. And what does this 10 frame represent?
3.
3 ones. Good. So let everyone fill up the 13. And it says 13 and underline it so you know that's what it represents. This is 10 and how many more? 3 more. Good. What does the second example represent? So this is the first 10 frame represents what, Boston? How many?
10.
1, 10. Good. And the second one represents what, Jenna? 5 more. So go ahead and fill in the 5. And 10 plus 5 is 15. All right. Now, can someone read the directions right where it says circle? Alyssa, go ahead. Circle.
Circle the
Group.
group of 10.
Right.
Write how
Many.
many
number. Good. So we're going to circle the group of 10, write how many more, and then write the number. So let's see. Which, for number 1, which is the group of 10? I'm going to ask Dex. Where should we circle? What's our group of 10? Is it this one or this one? This one? Okay, because this equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, do we have to count that every time?
No.
No, we just know that our 10 frame is 10. So we don't have to count every time. So this is 10 and 1, 2, 2 more. So what is 10 plus 2? Shayla, what is 10 plus 2?
12.
Good, so we can write in 12 over here. Is everyone following along?
Yeah.
Good job. You guys are doing great. I really like the way you listen. Alright, we're going to do this next one together, and then I'm going to have someone come up on the next one. So let's really focus on this next one. Which one should I circle? Should I circle this one, guys? For the 10? No? Okay, I'm going to circle this one because I know it's 10. I don't even have to count it. And that is 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 more. What is 10 plus 4 equal, Andrew? 14. Alright, so I'm going to write 14 on the line. For the number 14, is this my tens place or my ones place? 10. This is my 10, so I'm just going to write that so you guys remember. And my 4 is my 1. Good. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys a big question here. I want you to try and think to yourself, how are these numbers alike? 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I want you to think to yourself for 1 minute. How are all those numbers alike? Okay, now, quietly, I want you to whisper to your shoulder partner. So maybe Andrew and Layla might whisper. Maybe you three might whisper to your friend. How are they alike? Go ahead and share with your friend.
I don't have to Why is there 11? Because they both have 1 and 1 and 1. I know it's number. Except 11. 11, 14, 4, 5, 6. Except there's they're all teams. They're 1.
Okay, but how many do these all have 1 pen? So that's something to have on. What about, do they all have leftovers or?
Yeah.
Okay, what else are they?
They are in the number.
Good, that's true.
And 12, 13, 14, 15.
So they're all teams, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, guys, good conversation. All set?
You bet.
Good job. Okay, let's have a couple friends share how you, what did you talk about with your partner? Let's see, who haven't we heard from? I'm going to ask Gianna, what did you and your partner talk about? They all have 1, so that's 1, they all have 1 10. Huh. That's a good thought. Okay, what else do they have in common? Anahi? They're all teams. That's a good one. So does that mean that they all have leftovers? Okay, so the 11 have 1 leftover. 12 has 2 leftover. How many does 13 have? 3 leftover. 14 has 4 leftover. And 15 has 5 leftover. Good. All right, those are all really good ideas. Everyone turn the page. Okay, we're going to have, let's have a friend come up and help me with number 3. Let's look who's full body listening. All right, I'm going to have, Maya, do you want to come up and help me with number 3? We're doing the same thing as the front. she's going to do is count how many's in the following 10 frames. So why don't you count how many is there? 1, 2. Okay, guys, are we listening to Maya? 7. So she's going to write 10 and 7 more. How many is 10 plus 7, Maya? 17. So she's going to write it right on the line next to it. 17. Oh, great job, Maya. High five. That was a great demonstration. Do I have another friend that wants to come up and help? I'm going to ask Boston. You've been sitting really nicely. Why don't you come up and help? First thing that Boston's going to do for number 4 is circle the group of 10. Good job. How did you know that that was the group of 10? How did you know that this wasn't the group of 10? They're all filled. Did you have to count? No, you just knew. That's good. Okay, now you're going to count how many's in the next 10 frames. 6. How did you know that? Okay, good. So go ahead and write 10 and 6 more. Good. And what is 10 plus 6?
16.
Good. So he's going to write 16 on the line next. Good job, Boston. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys work silently on number 5 and 6 all by yourself. Do the same thing that we've been doing. And when you're done, put your pencil down and we'll move on to our rotations, okay?
I'm already done.
Okay, I'm going to walk around and check everyone, so you just stay quiet.
Just what I